Hey you guys, so starting this tutorial off, I'm using the Thebriabeauty Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer, and I'm just applying that all over the face. And now I'm taking the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better Foundation Plus Skincare, and that's going all over the face as well. Taking some Romantic Beauty Little Secret Concealer, and I'm just going to blend that into the face. And then we are going to set all of that using the Bare Minerals Original Mineral Veil Setting Powder. Now I'm going in with the contour palette by KAB Cosmetics or KAB Cosmetics. And I don't know what was up with today, you guys, but there was like fuzz all over my brushes, all in the air, and it was getting like trapped onto my face. And it was just like so annoying. Anyways, I'm taking the contour shades from that palette and just contouring my face a little bit and warming it up. Now we're taking the Hank & Henry Lust and Lush Blush and Highlight Cream Powder Duo. I'm taking both of those and applying them to the face. Going in with Luster Lilac and Aztec by Thebriabeauty and just gonna do my brows. And then we're going to go in with Hank & Henry's Color Canvas Paint in the shade Purple. And I'm just applying a little base down for our shadow. And today we're using the Sweet Tooth palette by Hank & Henry. And I am taking the shade called Purple first and just applying that right on top of that purple base. Now going in with the shade Boo Berries, I'm just kind of placing that on that outer area and blending it even further out. Going in with the Hank & Henry Color Canvas Paint in the shade Baby Teal, just applying that and kind of cutting into that purple a bit. And then we are going to kind of set that with the shade called Jelly Bean. Now I'm going in with W1 Color Canvas Paint, and we are going to create another cut into this eye. And then I'm going in with the pinks in that palette called Ah Sugar and Hard Candy. So off camera, I just outlined that whole pink area with Romantic Beauty's Bright Yellow Liquid Eyeliner. And now we are going in with the shade Buttercup. And I'm just applying that towards the inner corner. I did lay the yellow Color Canvas Paint base down. Now we're going in with the Romantic Beauty Pink Bright Liquid Eyeliner, lining my eye. And then we're going to go in with Jeffree Star's Queen Bee Liquid Lipstick. These are safe for the eye, just lining my eye. And then we're going to go in with Mint Tea, which is a really pretty metallic green from that palette. And then I'm going back in with the blue called Jelly Bean and just smoking that out. I applied some Bepplin lashes that I painted purple and applied Hank & Henry's Lucid and Love You So Much liquid lipsticks to my lips. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.